Now here if you see in this picture, Canada, USA, Brazil, and then Russia, China, India and Australia. Okay, so here, so I think all of you understood. So our country is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, means according to the area wise it is occupying the 7th place. And coming to population wise, earlier India was in the 2nd place. Now recently we have crossed China and we have occupied the 1st place in terms of population, not in terms of development but in terms of population. Now from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Now India's maximum length north to south. So north to south means what? Like north we will find Himalayas, isn't it? And Kanyakumari is a place in Tamil Nadu. So if you are measuring the length from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that means if you are measuring the length of our country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it is a maximum length the maximum length is about 3200 kilometers. That is from north to south. You need to remember that if we measure our country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that means if you are measuring from north to south, the maximum length north to south is about 3200 kilometers. Now from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Now Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh means you have to measure from west to east. Now Gujarat is located towards the west part of our country and Arunachal Pradesh towards the east. So if you are measuring from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, its maximum width is about 3000 kilometers. You need to remember this also because you will get these type of questions in the examination. So exam point of view, you need to remember these things. Okay, so from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the maximum length is 3200 kilometers and the maximum width from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is about 3000 kilometers. Okay, I think all of you understood till now. Now our country is surrounded by a number of neighboring countries, isn't it? Neighboring countries means what? Like your neighbors. All of you live in your home now. You will find your neighbors besides your houses. In the same way, our country also have neighboring countries. To the north, Nepal, Bhutan and China. So north of India, you will find these countries. What are the countries? Nepal, Bhutan and China. Coming to east you will find Bangladesh and Myanmar. To the south are the islands of Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now Sri Lanka is an island, isn't it? It is located in Indian Ocean. And to the northwest are Pakistan and Afghanistan. Clear till now all of you? Okay. Now we'll turn the page and see what is given in the next page. Here, India is narrow at the top and at the bottom and is fairly wide in the center. So India is narrow at the top means somewhat congested. At where narrow at the top? Top in the sense what is the direction? North. And bottom also it is somewhat congested. That means bottom also is narrow. But it is wide in the center. Center you will find it is somewhat wide. So the southern part of our country forms a peninsula. Southern part of our country is a peninsula. Now again, what is a peninsula? Peninsula is the land that is covered by water bodies on three sides. What is an island? The land that is covered by water on four sides. Recently we have seen in the previous page we have seen Sri Lanka Sea. It is an island. So that country is covered by water on four sides. Peninsula means our country is a peninsula because it is covered by water on three sides. Okay, now what are the water bodies which are covered which are covered India. Arabian Sea to the west, Indian Ocean to the south, and Bay of Bengal to the east. Okay, the Himalayan range of mountains stands as a great wall on the northern side, while the plateau region lies in the southern part of India. And Himalayan range of mountains, all the Himalayan mountains you will find starting from Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, it extends to Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and northeastern states also you will find the Himalayas. And then range of mountains means what? Series of mountains, and one means one mountain after another mountain you will find. Where you will find these things? You will find on the north direction. And coming to the southern part means down part. Down in the sense opposite north is south. I think all of you know about it. So southern part of our country is plateau region. Northern part is mountain region. Southern part is plateau region. Now what is a plateau? Plateau is a flat land and flat land on the flat on the top, but uneven on the sides and bottom.